Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning a notepad trick that you can easily insert numbers or index number for lines very easily by using Notepad++. Normally if we are inserting number like this method 2 3 like this, but you can use Notepad++ for given index number for lines. Okay, just use your mouse and just hold press alt button on your keyboard, then just select those lines like this, or also you can use alt and shift key, then press the arrow key for selecting those words. Okay, we are successfully selected those sentence by using alt key. Okay, then go to edit, then go to this column editor. You can see there is two options: insert text to insert and number to insert. Okay, initial number, which one? The starting number. Okay, we are giving 1, then increased by also 1 2. If you give here 1, then we can get the result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, if you give 2, it will be multiplied by 2 1 3 like that. Okay, we are giving 1 for index number, initial number 1 also increased by 1, then just press OK. Now you can see there is those sentences are given number like 1 2 3 9. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.